I will share with you 3 things that I will never do as a small business owner habang mag-get ready with me. This is my realization as an owner of a small restaurant. I own a lugawan business. Nandito ako sa Palawan. So I will use first Ecran Deluxe from Lux Skin. This is a silicone sunscreen gel. So ina-apply ko to before ako mag-makeup. Non-greasy siya, no white cast, and makikita nyo na ginagamit talaga siya ni Marian Rivera. Ayan. Number 1 lesson is do not overstock. What do I mean by that? Huwag kang bumili masyado ng maraming inventory mo just because natutuwa ka lang. Lalo na nasa food business tayo, dapat hindi tayo masiraan ng mga stocks, especially pagkain yan ha. Very critical. Baka kasi feeling nyo malakas ngayon, so bibili kayo ng maraming stocks ngayon, tapos bukas at sa mga susunod na araw humina, talo ka agad dyan.